first place with a 35 laps.
Whoa.
Followed by Buggy in second place.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road RC Racing for March 2nd, 2025. We're going out in Sedan. I've had a hit or miss day with Sedan. The theme of the day has been servo saver related problems. On this Mugen, I've talked about it before, because it has the undermount servo mount only on the bottom, almost no servo savers will fit. And there's almost no room because of the underslung servo mount. This is the part that I ended up finding that fit, the WAG. There's the part number. It's a really small metal servo saver. It worked great for the first 2 weeks. Then it also just completely failed to center. Was extremely sloppy steering, and I ended up getting turned. I would turn into the boards and crash a lot with the servo saver. So it had to go. I had to get rid of it. Gone to a fixed mount plastic servo horn, and the steering is way crisper, way better. You're going to see that it has very sharp steering during this main. If you're a good enough driver where you're not hitting barricades all the time on that car, I would say don't run a saver. Just risk your servo. It's a much crisper drive without a saver on that Mugen. I ended up putting on the stock servo horn from the Exotech. It's just the servo horn that is on this servo, working well. We're gonna go out for this main. I did run into an issue where I lost a count. The loop is here. I lost a count. I should have been doing a 35 lapper. I ended up losing a lap, so that dropped me down into the B main. So I'm starting in BQ. I'm starting at top of the B instead of bottom of the A. There's no bump ups today because we have so many people. We have 93 entries today. So I'm going to be starting at top of the B main with the stock sedan Mugen MTC2R. All right, here we go. Stock sedan B main. I'll be starting in BQ because, like I mentioned in the intro, I lost a lap during quals, so technically I should have been on a 35 lapper 506, which would have put me at bottom of the A, but we are now top of the B, and there's no bump ups today, but we're gonna see if we can hold on to this pole position for the entire run. It's gonna be challenging. You can see how much sharper the steering is without a saver. I have done a servo saver delete.
No more laps. Straightaway is closed. John Kennedy, you have the pole.
All right.
Followed by Brad.
Starting in pole position.
Followed by Simon. Followed by Dean. Followed by Dylan. Followed by...
I don't like starting in pole. It's a lot of pressure for those first 2 corners.
Less than 10 on the tone.
Whoa.
John
Loose.
Got Brad all over the back of him.
I've got no heat in my tires.
By all of our racers right now. This is good. Racing has been excellent today. Let's keep it up.
Oh, I need some heat in my tires. I was very loose off this gate.
Not a lot of contact. Brad's coming under pressure now by 3rd and 4th place. Simon and Dean. John getting out front, good in air. Brad starting to put some space between 3rd. That's Simon in the camouflage car.
That was a clean line. Whoa.
You can get wrapped up a little bit, drop it back slightly bit. Dylan now moving up to 4th. Logan just seeing what everyone else is doing ahead of him, buying his time. He's going to take advantage of the situation as it comes up. There he is. He's now up to 4th. John coming in 1st. Brian second, Dylan up to 3rd.
After 1 minute 5
Simon
seconds,
4th.
the top drivers are John Kennedy in first place with a 35 lap 504.9.
Whoa.
Followed by Buggy in second place with a 34 lap 504.8 pace. Followed by Dylan in 3rd place with a 32 lap 502.2 pace. Followed by Simon Johnson in 4th place with a 32 lap 508.4 pace. Followed by Logan in 5th place with a 31 lap 501.7 pace. Followed by Dean in 6th place with a 31 lap 504.9 pace.
Running order is actually John, Brad, Dylan, Dean, Logan, and Simon. John, Brad down straightaway. Logan in the mix there, now locked down. Simon behind him as well. Dylan in the purple silver car. Leader's coming up on you there now, Dylan.
Oh no!
Leader makes a mistake. Somebody needs to marshal him quick.
That loses me my... Thank you, thank you.
First place with a 35 lap 504.1.
Oh, did Brad flip over too? Oh, here we go. Body, camouflage body.
All right, that tosses things around a little bit. Fortunately, John had enough of a lead and he's being painted.
I got a draggy feeling though. Something happened. I got a drag. My car's feeling slower.
John, Brad, Dylan is still battling right now. Dylan, Dean, and Logan is the closest battle on the track.
Oh, I'm jammed up. I may be broken.
As we come up on 2 minutes to go, unfortunately, Logan with the body cut. Backs out there quickly to start fixing.
Yeah, when I turn one way, there's something grabbing. I can power through, but sorry, I got.
See where he got by. I was concentrating on how to Logan.
My car's a little broken, Simon. I'm just trying to hold on to it.
After 3 minutes 15 seconds, the top drivers are Brad G in first place with a 34 lap 508.4 pace.
Man, I can't turn.
Yellow car is your leader.
One way.
Orange and blue car coming up the straightaway there. Still second place. It's coming up on Simon and now in infield.
Yeah, I just don't have. Yes, but I don't have something's wrong with the car. I can't pull out of the hole with much speed.
Now in third, Dylan down to fourth.
I'm kind of on your pace now. I can't get it to go any faster. There we go. Thank you. You weren't blocking me. I couldn't do it. Still something feels very grabby.
45 seconds left.
It might be the body has failed.
After 4 minutes 20, the top drivers.
All right, with 30 seconds to go, Brad over in second place now with the record.
Oh, I'm not in second.
Leader concerned with contact in it. That's going to change things a little bit.
Oh,
Another mistake in the infield.
I could have had that.
All yellow, fluorescent yellow. That's on the infield. That is your leader. Second place is now Dean. It's amazing how things change in a race.
Oh, sorry. Go.
Race it to the line.
John K. Dunn.
Damn. Sorry for that contact.
D. Dunn. Logan Dunn. Brad G. Dunn. Dylan Dunn.
Everybody's done.
Everybody's done.
Dylan, John, Simon, and
I'll have to watch back the footage. I'm not sure where Dean got me. I don't know if I lost the lap or what happened, but something's really grabby on the front end. I think my body is finally grabbed onto the wheel. Yeah, my paint has pulled into my wheel, slowing me down. Crazy. So what happened is my reinforcement of the body, the tape got sucked under that front wheel, grabbing that inside tire and slowing me down. And once that happened, I didn't have the power to accelerate out of the corners fast enough. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.